Hello everybody. Actually, in the last video, I have started discussion about the for looping control statement. Already, I have started the discussion on that. So, introduction about the for loop syntaxes, several syntaxes. Also, one program also in the last class, last video, I have already discussed, right? So this is the last class content. 1 minute. For see this one is the last class discussions actually, and here one program also we have discussed already. Write a program to find the perfect number, and these are the several points, several theory I have mentioned here about the for loop, right? So in this video I will solve few program modes, because theory already we have discussed. Nothing is there in the for loop. Already how it is working, the working style of the for loop, uh, where it is useful, all these things in details in the last video already discussion over. So today in this video I will solve 2-3 programs or 4 programs based on the for loop, because if you learn how to write the programs, how to solve, how to write the logic for this program, then definitely you will get more experience on that, and you will get more clarity on the for loop. So this time I will write a program, simple programs. Write a program to find a number is prime or not, prime number or not, right? These are some basic programs what I'm going to discuss in this video. Basic programs in every interview. In every interview you will find like this programs, right? Write a program to find a number is prime number or not. Sir, what is prime number? We know prime number is what? Sir, it's having two factors. Two factors. Two factors. Number having one. Number having two factors is called as prime numbers. Sir, this is the 8th standard, 10th standard concept. Why you are telling here? Because here only that 8th standard mathematics logic I am going to write here, right? That by using that logic only 8th standard, 9th standard mathematics, small logic in this program, not in this program. Programming, every programming language, this much arithmetic logic only you are using here only. But the task is what? How to implement, how to write that logic in the program. We should learn that one only. Logic is very simple. Observe, sir, suppose one number is 4. Sir, what are the factor of this 4? Sir, what is factor? Factor means I will check the number is divisible by which number completely. This particular 4 number, if I divide this 4 number by any other number, whether it is perfectly divisible or not. Perfectly divisible means remainder should be 0. If I divide this 4 number by any number, nothing should be remain. That means 0 should become the remainder. Suppose I will divide 4 divided by 1. This modular operator is called to find the remainder value. Modular operator here I am used to find the remainder value. Already in the operator section this concept is there. Okay, if I 4 percentile 1, then what is the value I'll get? Equal to 0 I'll get. Remainder I'll get 0. Okay, similarly 4 percentile 2, suppose I will get also 0. 4 percentile 2, if I divide, that one also gives 0. Similarly, 4 percentile 4, also it will give 0. So now the 4 is completely divisible by 1, completely divisible by 2, completely divisible by 4. That means I can say 4 having 3 factors. So since the 4 having 3 factors, so it is not a prime number. What is prime number telling? Sir, any 2 factor, prime. The number having only two factors is called prime number. Sir, what is the next example? Suppose I will take 5, right? Sir, if I'll write here 5 percentile 1, sir, it is completely divisible. Next, 5 percentile 2, it is not completely divisible, right? Then similarly 5 percentile 3, it is also not completely divisible. And 5 percentile 4, it is also not completely divisible. And 5 percentile 5, now this one is completely divisible. That means this three result, in this 3 result, remainder is not 0, right? But rest, this one and this one, remainder is 0. That means here how many factors are? 2 factors only, because 5 is completely divisible by 1. That means remainder will give 0, and 5 also completely divisible by 5, remainder will give 0. That's why this number having 2 factor. And the remaining, it will give some remainder value. If I'll divide 5 with 2, 5 with 3, 5 with 4, it will give some remainder value. Okay, but that's why it is not considered as what? Factors. Only 2 factors, 1 and 5. That's why it is called what? Prime number. The same logic I will use in the program also. This is called prime number, right? This is called prime number. Sir, what logic I will write? Observe here. What logic I will write here? I will explain here. Then I will go for the programs. Simple. What I am doing, sir, I will take the number, suppose n. N equal to, suppose, number I will take 4. Right? Then I will declare one variable, suppose I. Because I have to repeat now. Okay, here observe, repeated. First 5 I have to divide by 1. Next 5 I have divided by 2. Next 5 I have divided by 3. Next 5 divided by 4. Next 5 divided by 5. That means what is the number here? Number is 5. Number is 4. That means division should start beginning from the 1 to end of that number. Okay, so number is 4. So division start from 1, 4 by 1 to 4 by 4. Okay, 4 by 1 to 4 by 4. Similarly, here also I can write, sir, 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3. Here also I have to write. But here how many factors? 1, 2, 3 factors. So 3 factors means it is not a prime number. Here 2 factors means it is a prime number, right? So same logic I have to write here. I will write here, sir, I will take I value, one I value. Then what I will do, I will use the because same thing I have to repeat now. So looping statement I have to use here, sir, for I equal to 1, I less than equal to n. Okay, I less than equal to n. N is here 4. N is here what? 4. Right? Semicolon I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus. Here one more variable I will take a c equal to 0. Count. I will count now how many factors. 2 factors or more than 2 factors I will count. Then here one simple logic I will write. Sir, if observe, carefully observe, if n percentile I, here n is what? 4, right? So better to write n here, because n value you can change it. Always not should be 4, it should not be 4 always. So n percentile I equal to 0. Okay. N percentile I, remainder division I have to do. First time n percentile I percentile symbol division, percentile division, modular divisions equal to 0. If it is true, then what will do? C plus plus. You count the C equal to C plus 1 or C count value you increase. Okay. Next, what I will do, for loop will be ended here. Next, I'll compare. If C equal to 2, if the count value 2 means 2 factor, then what I will do? Printf what? Printf prime. This number is prime. Number is prime. Else else printf not prime. Very simple logic. Not prime. Right? Not prime. See, this is the logic I need to write here. Right, I'm writing the program. Right? Okay, so n value equal to 4 I have taken, but you can read the n value in the runtime also by using scanf functions, right? This is the logic. Here, what will be happen? Simple thing will be happen always. I remember what is the concept here. So suppose n value 4. I will write now is what? 1. So first 4 percentile 1. 4 percentile 1. So 4 percentile 1 equal to 0 or not? If I divide 4 by 1 by 1, if I divide this one, 1 4 4. The remainder is what? This is the remainder, 0 or not? Then equal to, then C plus plus, count value increases. Now right now count value is 0 now. Now count value will be increases to 1. Now if you closed, then for closed. But for loop once again has to be repeat. It go to I plus plus. Then I plus plus means I will become 2. I will 1 initially, now I will become 2. Again condition will be checked. 2 less than equal to 9. Okay, 2 less than equal to 9. Like this, condition true na. Again it will enter to the loop and it will check. What is the value? 4. 4 percentile 2 equal to 0. True or false? True, because if I divide 2, it will come 2 2 is 4. Okay, remainder again become 0. 0 means C plus plus. Right now C will become 2. Right, C will become 2. Next again updation statement I plus plus. I will become 3. Okay, I will become 3. Last time it was 2. Now 3 condition will be checked. 3 less than equal to 4. True or false? True. 3 less than equal to 4. True or not? True. Then here it will execute. If 4 percentile 3 equal to 0, this condition will be checked. That means if I divide 4 with 3, what answer I'll get? 3 1 3 is equal to 1 I'm getting or not? That means it's not equal to 0 now. But the condition is saying equal to 0. So condition is false here. False means this part will be not execute. Okay, false means this part will be not execute. It is coming out here and it will go to again it will go to the updation statement I plus plus. Right now I will become 4. Condition will be checked. 4 less than equal to 4. True or false? True. True means enter. Okay, enter. Again condition check n percentile I. That means 4 percentile I equal to I value is right now 4. 4 equal to 0. True or false? Sir, true. This is also true. True means enter the loop. Enter such as C plus plus. Okay, C plus plus. In the previous case, C was C was a 2 now. Now C will become 3. Right? C will become 3. Again it will go I plus plus. I will become 5 right now. Now condition will check 5 less than equal to 4. 5 less than equal to 4. Condition false means totally this for loop will be terminated. Totally this for loop will be terminated. Right? Then here it will come outside. If C equal to 2. Okay. If C equal to, but C will right now what? 3 or not? So 3 equal to 2. Condition of false. False means which part will be executed, else part na printf not prime. Like this is going to be executed. So let me write this program. Same logic I will involve there. Observe, very simple. how many variable is required, that much variable I should declare integer n. Okay, comma, sir, I is required, comma, c equal to 0, just I told you. Okay, printf, sir, message give, enter the n value, message give. Okay, okay. After then scan up, have to read, have to scan in that n value, scan a percentile d, comma, ampersand n. This is the default scanf syntax. Already several times you have written this program, right? After that, for loop start. I equal to 1. Sir, why I equal to 1? Why I equal to not 0? Because division we are starting from 1, not from the 4 by 1, 4 by 2, 4 by 3. There is no benefit to divide the number 4 with 0. That's why I equal to 1. I less than equal to n. N. Sir, up to what? Up to which range? You will divide up to n range. Okay, 1 to n. N value is 4, suppose, then I have to divide 4 by 1, 4 by 2, 4 by 3, 4 by 4. Suppose n value is 5 or 6, I have to divide 6 by 1, 6 by 2, 6 by 3, 6 by 4, 6 by 5, 6 by 6. That's why I less than equal to n, I plus plus. I value will be increase every time. After every iteration, every repetitions, it will increase by 1. Now see, very beautiful condition I will put here. If denote, if n percentile I equal to 0, n percentile I equal to 0, bracket start. Okay, c plus plus. Okay, or you can write in place of c plus plus, c equal to c plus 1 also, right? Fine, nothing will be problem. Then bracket close, then for loop close. Over. Next, what is the next condition? If c equal to 2, if the count value is only 2, that means factor of that number is only 2. So printf what? Printf number is prime. Very simple. Any message you can have only prime also, right? Not a problem. So your choice, what message you want to display, you have to write like this only inside the printf function. Else printf what? Not a prime number. Not a prime number. Logic you have to write properly. Then only the program will work. Get ch. Okay, sir. Observe once here. Everywhere semicolon is there. Else, okay. Alt F9. Let me check error. Oh, no error there. Okay. Control F9. See, asking the enter in values are 4. See, not a prime number. Okay. Once again, Control F9. Sir, 11. See, prime number is prime. It is written. Number is prime. Very good. Now Control F9. Suppose 33. 33. What about not a prime number? Because 33 having 3 factors. 33 having 3 factors. One is 3, one is 11, and one is 1. Sorry, 4 factors. One is 1, and another is 33 itself. So 4 factors. Sir, what about 37? 37 is a pure prime number. Observe, number is prime or not. So this is the program how to find the number is prime number or not. Okay, I hope this concept is clear to you. This is the logic only. Just before writing the program, I explained what is the logic, right? So the next program I will take here. Next program, let me delete this one. Next program, Fibonacci series, most important Fibonacci series. Okay, for loop let be as it is. Here too I will delete. Fibonacci series. Sir, what is that Fibonacci series? Okay, observe, I will explain that one also. What is that Fibonacci, whatever it may be. Fibonacci series means is what? Suppose, okay, suppose I will give n value, suppose 5. Okay, Fibonacci series. I want to repeat the series, or I want to write the series up to 5 position. 5 position. That means What is the answer for that 5? Sir, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Right? See, five position or not? First position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position. Sir, how this series is coming? Very simple, sir. 0 plus 1. What is the answer? 1 or not? Yes. Then 1 plus 1. What is the answer? 2 or not? Yes. Then 1 plus 2. What is the answer? 3 or not? Yes. Then if suppose n will become 6, or I want to print 6 term or 8 term, then what will happen? Then again 2, 3 will be added. 2 plus 3 equal to what? 5. Next 5 plus 3 added. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Next 8 plus 5 added. Then 8 plus 13. Then 13 plus 8 added 21. Like this it is going to be continue based on this n value. Right now n value is what? How many positions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I n value enter 9, then it should be print up to 21 like this. So what is the logic here? Very simple. Every time the third number is summation of last two. Every time the third number is next number is summation of this last two. Every time the third number is next number is summation of the last two. 8, 5 plus 30. 21, 31 plus 8. This logic I am going to write in the program. Observe how the program will be designed. Very simple. It is infinitesimal simple, right? How much simple it is, observe. Sir, any number, suppose 5 terms I will, 8 terms I will, 11 terms I will, but compulsory 0, 1 will be there or not? 0, 1, starting number should be 0 and second number should be 1. 0 and 1. That's why what I am doing here, observe. I am writing printf. Some variable is required, suppose 0, 1. Compulsory, that's why I am writing here. 0, 1. Okay. 0, 1, then semicolon. Here some variable is required. These are not required at all. I is required. Comma, suppose f1 equal to 0, f2 equal to 1, and f3. Three variables, f1, f2, f3 I added here, I have taken here. Next, what I will do, observe. I equal to 1, I equal to 1 not. Because already first term is 0 na compulsory. Second term is 1 na compulsory. 0, 1 will be print. Okay, printf, printf. By this printf function, 0, 1 will be already printed. That means two series already printed. That means I value will be start from third position, right? I equal to 3, I less than equal to why 3? Observe, because already first term 0, second term 1. By this printf function it will be printed. Sir, why you have written like this? Because 0, 1 compulsory in every series. That's why I have written it 0, 1. Then if first second term already printed, then what will be happen? Then printing should be start by this for loop from third position. That's why I equal to 3 here, right? I less than n. Observe. Observe what I am doing here. Sir, I will write here f3 equal to f1 plus f2. F2 will be not f1 plus f2. Okay. Then very simple. What I will do? I will assign f1 equal to f2. F1 equal to f2 and f3 equal to f2 equal to f3. Okay, f2 equal to f3. F1 equal to f2, f2 equal to f3. Right? So this is the logic I will write. Next, printf percentile d. I will explain this program also, don't worry. Percentile d comma f3, right? f3 bracket close, semicolon, like this. Alt F9. Any error? One error is where compound statement missing. That means for loop bracket I have to close here. Close. Alt F9, Control F9. See, find, enter the value n value. Sir, 5. Observe. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5 terms exactly printed or not. Okay, first position, second positions, and addition result also same one. Once again observe. Control F9. This, oh sorry, this time 3 term. Okay, see 0, 1, 1, 3 term printed or not. Next time 8 term. See, observe up to 13. Next 9 term up to 21. It is 21 up to 21. So every time the last digit is what? The addition of or summation of just previous 2 digit. So this is the logic here. Sir, let me take this program to explain here. Control N. One second. Control V. Observe. Sir. This is my program actually. Control X. Control. Observe. Sir. Observe. Very simple program. Not a difficult at all. So this time, what is the N value container, I value container, F1 container, F2 container, F3 container. This much container is required. Very simple. N, I, F1, F2, and F3. Right, F3. This much container. Sir, what is the F1 container value? 0 or not? Yes. F2 container value 1 or not? Yes. 1 or 1. And I container value here, I equal to written what? 3. So I container value is 3 directly. 3, 3, 3. And F3 no value n. You have to enter the n value. User has to enter. Suppose I enter 3. Okay, 3 or 4, suppose 4. Enter F4. Okay, then printf 0, 1. So first 0 and 1 will be printed. 0 and 1 will be printed here. Next is what? I equal to 3. I equal to 3. 3 less than 3 condition. 3 less than equal to n value is 4. Condition true or false? True. 100% true. Enter here inside the loop. What is written, sir? F3 equal to F1 plus F2. Observe the F1 container 0, F2 container 1, F1 plus F2, that means 0 plus 1. What is the answer? 1. That 1 store in where? Again in F3. Okay, F3. So F3 value right now become what? 1 or not? Next F1 equal to F2. F1 equal to F2. Observe, what is the F2 container value? 1. So F1 become F2 means F2 value will copied to F1. So F2 value will be copied to F1. That means here F1 will be 0 to become 1. Next is what? Next is F2 equal to F3. That means F3 value copied to F2. F2 become F3 value. F3 value is copied. Now F3 value is what? 1. F2 value is 1, 1. So 1 deleted, 1 again store. Right? Simple. Next is what? Print F3. Print F3. Observe F3 container value is what? 1 or not? So percentile 40 means 4 gap 1 will be printed. Next, here for loop ended na, but last time this condition was true na. So again for loop will be repeat here to updation statement I plus plus. I plus plus means I value last time 3. Now it become 4. Now condition again check I value is 4. I less than n value is still 4 right now. 4 less than equal to 4. Condition again true. True means again enters are into the loop. F3 equal to F1 plus F2. F3 equal to F1 plus F2. Observe the F1 container value is 1. F2 container value is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Store in where? In the F3 container. So F3 1 will be replaced with 2 here. Right? 2. This is not 3, 2. Right? Next, F1 equal to F2. F1 equal to F2. That means F2 value, whatever it may be, copied to F1. F2 value is what? Same 1 or not? So what will happen? F1 value will be changed to 1. 1 already there, but I am replacing, that's why cutting here. No need to cut here, right? Next, F3 equal to F2. Whatever the F3 value in the F3 container, that will be copied to F2 container. Observe the F3 container 2 or not. That means 1 will be deleted or replaced with 2. Very nice. Next, printf percentile F3. Right now, F3 value is what, sir? 2 or not? 2 will be printed here. Observe this one and this one, addition to or not, like this. It is going to continue once again. Loop will be loop will be repeat here. What is that? I less than equal to I plus plus. I plus plus means I value last time 4, I plus plus it become 5. So I less than equal to 5, but n value is 4. Sorry, I 5 is less than equal to, condition will be check 5 less than equal to n value is 4 still. So the condition become false. False means totally this for loop will be terminated. Okay, get ch program end. Observe fourth series printed or not, n value 4, so 4 series printed. Like this the program is going to be executed. But here in this program a little small problem is there. I will tell that one. What is that one problem? Sir, suppose control F9. I will enter 0. I want to print 0 term, but 0 is not possible, right? 0 term means nothing, but still observe 0 1 printing or not, 2 series printing. Even I am entering 0 also, it is printing 2 series. Even suppose once again observe, suppose minus 1 is what? Minus 1 series I want to print. Okay, it is also invalid, but still it is printing 0 to 1 or not. This is a problem. So little modification I will do this program. Right? Little changes I will do this program. My problem will be solved. Observe what I am doing here. Simple. If n value, suppose the user entering less than equal to 0, then a beautiful message I will display here. Printf, sir, series not possible. Series not possible. Okay, minus or 0. Okay, series not possible, right? You have to enter more than 0, then only series will be possible. Okay, now observe series is not possible. Then observe alt F9. Any problem? No. Control F9. Sir, 0 this time. Bracket I have not given. That's why again it will come. Series is not possible, but 0 1 will be printing. Why? Because if else we have to use. If this is not satisfied, then else part has to be executed. So write here simple else, right? Else bracket start, and here you have to close the else bracket. Now that problem will alt F9, control F9, and -1. See, series is not possible displayed or not. Similarly, any value, negative value or 0 even, series is not possible. But sir, if I give 1, observe control F9. Suppose I want 1 series, but still it is 0 1 printing or not, 2 series printing. One second problem, right? So little bit changes I will do here. What is that? Observe here. Okay, if this is the condition, but right, and else this is the condition, but right now one more condition means else if. 3 condition came now, so else if condition is what? Condition is suppose n equal to 1. Okay, suppose somebody is enter 1, n equal to 1, sorry 1 equal to 1, then printf what? Printf 1 means only one series. First series is what? 0 or not? Only print 0. Bracket close. Bracket close. Then else. Observe else. Alt F9. So here semicolon is there. Semicolon. Alt F9. No error. Control F9. Sir, 1. Observe 0 printed or not? 1 term only printed. Very nice. Control F9. Sir, 2. Observe. What is printing? 0 1 printing. Now control F9. 3. Observe. 0 1 1 printing. Control F9. Sir. Suppose 8. Observe. Up to 38 terms printed or not. Like this, the program is going to be executed. -1. Observe. Sir, not possible. Control F9 minus 5, observe, not possible. Like this the program is going to be executed. Very simple. This is the Fibonacci series. Completely information is available in this program, right? So this is the one more program I explained. A little bit cough is there, so observe. Next next one more program I will solve, sir. Observe. I will discuss one more program here. What is that program means? Finding the digit sum. Very simple program. Already using by while loop also. While loop also we have discussed. But sometimes the what the interviewer asking, don't use while loop, by using for loop only you discuss. They specify some conditions. Whether you have to use while loop or whether you have to use for loop or do while loop. They are specifying their requirement they are giving. So based on that you have to learn everything. So how to design, how to write the program to find the digit sum, just I am going to tell you. Observe, same, that much variable is not required, so I will delete this variable. So digit sum, so I will declare one variable sum, right? Sum equal to 0, and digit sum means a remainder is required. Already this concept already I have discussed in the uh, while loop conditions. So remainder equal to 0, or remainder only declare, not a problem, right? What I am doing here, I am writing the program here. Observe, I will write for, okay, for I equal to I equal to 0. I value is required or not required here? I value also not required here, right? So I value also not required here. Why I not required? So here I not required. So semicolon only. Initialization is not required. Nothing is required. And condition I am putting n not equal to 0. Semicolon. I will explain this program also. Don't worry. N equal to n by 10. N equal to, oh, sorry, n by 10. N by 10, right? N equal to n by 10, bracket start, rem, remainder, remainder equal to n percentile 10. These two division are most powerful, quotient division and remainder division. Most of the logic, in most of the logic, like this type of things, even number, prime number, odd number, okay, counting digit, last, all this, everywhere you will find this one. So very very important this one. Okay, now sum equal to is what? Sum plus, sum equal to sum plus rem, remainder. Okay. Next bracket close. Finally printf, sir, printf, anything you can write. I am writing only digit sum. Digit sum is percentile d. Okay, digit sum is percentile d, and sum I am passing. Okay, alt F9, any error? No error. Control F9, observe. Sir, 1 2 3 6 printed or not? 3 2 5 plus 1 6 na? Okay, control F9. Minus 1 2 3, observe. Okay, is minus 6 printed or not? Minus 1 2 3. Okay. Control F9, sir. 1 0 1. See, 2 printed or not? Everything is working here. So this is the syntax for this. Sir, what is this for loop? Why semicolon? Because this, what I told, in the for loop number of statement may be anything, but here initialization statement is not required. That's why I have not written here. Okay, let me slowly, let me explain this one also, so that you can get the clarity there. Only 2 minutes, concentrate here. So this is my program actually. Okay, from void mains it is okay, no problem. Control X, control N. Okay. See, sir, n value what I read? Sir, n value suppose I read 285. And no, no, let me do the container. Oh, sorry, container technique I will do. So this is the one container. This is another container, right? This is another container. Three containers are there. Here the container name is n. Here the container name is rem. Here the container name is sem. Right. Next, n value suppose I read 384 or 384. So remainder value observe nothing. Sum value is what? 0. 0 stored. Now enter n value 384. Enter. Now here no initialization statement. Okay, no problem. N not equal to 0. This is called condition. This one is the condition here. N not equal to 0. N value is what? 384. 384 is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. True or false? Sir, true. 384 not equal to 0. True, obviously true. Okay, you know, I know, everybody know. This is covered. If true, for loop will be entered. Enter the control will be entered to the for loop. Remainder equal to n by 10. N value is 384. I have to divide it by 10. What answer I will get, you know? 38, 3, 8, 0. Remainder is 4. So remainder become 4 here. This remainder value 4 store in where? In the remainder container. Remainder container value is garbage value is initially. So whatever the value, now it becomes 4. Garbage value initially automatically compiler will be assigned already several times. I told once you creating the container variable declaration you are doing, garbage value automatically stored in that container unless you are initializing it. So remainder is not initialized earlier. So garbage value in the starting now become 4. So garbage value replaced with 4. Next is what? Sum equal to sum plus rem. Remainder. Sum equal to sum value right now was what? 0. 0 remainder value 4. 0 plus 4. 4. 4 will be stored where again in the sum or not? So 0 replaced with 4. Next, bracket close. For loop again execute with updatation statement. Observe, this is the updatation statement in place here. N equal to n by 10. Quotient division. So quotient division answer is what? N value is what? 384. Quotient division 384 divided by 10. Same division, but this time answer part is this one only. Quotient division part. This is remainder part. Don't confuse. 38. It will store where in the n container 38. So 384 will be delete. 38 will be stored and value replace updated. Right. Next condition checked. 38 not equal to 0. Condition 100% again true. Next what will be happen, sir? Enter to the for loop. Remainder equal to n percentile. Right now remainder n value is 38 by 10. So simple it is. 10 3 ja 30. So remainder become 8. Right? So this remainder in store in remainder container. So whatever the last value 4 deleted replaced with 8. Now second of line is sum equal to sum plus remainder. Right now sum value is 4. 4 plus 8. It become 12 or not? Yes. Next again for loop will be execute. That is a updation statement. N equal to n by 10. So n by 10 means n value is 38 by 10. Nothing but this division, but this time quotient division. Quotient division value is 3. So 38 will be replaced with 3. Right? It will replace with 3. Next what will be happen again? Sum is there. Sum equal to sum plus remainder. Okay. No. So condition will be checked first. And after this 3 condition will be checked. 3 less than equal to 0. Okay, again true. 3 already 3 is not equal to less than equal to not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means true, not true means enter here. The remainder equal to n percentile 10. This time n value is what? 3. So 3 divided by 10. 10 is 0, 0. Answer become 3. Remainder value is 3. And quotient division value is 0 here. Okay, lateral is 3. Remainder value is 3. So remainder value is 3 means this 3 will be updated in the remainder container. So remainder container last time 8, now it is updated to 3. Sum equal to sum plus remainder. Sum value as 12, 12 plus 3 to become 15. Very simple. Next again execute. Okay, updation statement. N equal to n by 10. N value is 3. So 3 by 10 again this division. But this time answer is quotient value 0 na contain. It will that 0 value will be updated in which container? N equal to n container. So n value will come right now 0. Now condition check 0. Crucial moment came 0 not equal to 0. At 0 equal to 0, it is written not equal to 0. Actually 0 equal to 0. So that's why condition become false. False means totally this for loop up to this will be terminated here. Terminated, 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 terminated here up to terminated. Next statement is what? Print digit sum is sum. Right now observe the sum container. What is the value? 15 or not? Yes. Yes, yes. 8 plus 4 plus 3. What is that? 15 or not? It is going to display like this. The logic is going to be working. Right? Digit sum. Digit sum is sum. I hope it is clear to all of you, right? So you watch it properly 1 to 2 times so that you can get the more clarity on that. Last program I will do print all the ASCII values. How many ASCII values are there? ASCII characters 256. So this time what I will do, okay, I'll print all the ASCII values. So all these things is not required here. Very simple. Only for loop I will use. For loop by using the for loop and I value. I require I integer I. Sorry I. Next here observe. 1 minute. Condition I equal to 0 because 256 character means 0 to 255, right? 0 to 255. So I equal to 0, 0 to 255. So I less than equal to 255. Okay, I plus plus. I plus plus. Simple. What I will do, I will write the logic here. What is that logic means? I'll write printf. Printf. So what style I want? I'll show you that one. I want objects. ASCII value na? Control N. Okay. So I want suppose ASCII character, suppose small a. What is the ASCII value? 97. Similarly, B. What is the ASCII value? 98. Suppose capital A. Sequential capital A. What is the ASCII value? 65. Suppose 0. What is the ASCII value? What is the ASCII value? ASCII value is 48. Suppose this symbol is there. So ASCII value contains all characters, special characters, all numbers also. Right? So suppose this symbol is there. Which symbol? I think this symbol is not here. Okay, I will draw. I want suppose this symbol. Right, this symbol. So this symbol ASCII character, this symbol ASCII character is this symbol ASCII character is 3. Okay, this is diamond. This diamond ASCII character. Suppose one print diamond. There is also ASCII value. Like this left side ASCII character, right side ASCII value in this format. 256 ASCII character ASCII value. I want to print. Observe simple for loop already written. So left side ASCII character, right side ASCII value. Na? So ASCII character means percentile C. Character means percentile C, and here, okay, and ASCII value means integer value na percentility, right? Comma I, comma I, okay, I, right? So this first I, suppose 0, 0, okay, 0 percentile C, okay, percentile C, 0 character, percentile D, I value, second I goes to percentile D. So corresponding ASCII value 48 will be printed here. So this loop will be repeat up to 255. Next bracket close. Let's see it. Okay. Very simple programs, right? Observe, sir. Alt F9. Any error? Control F9, right? See, all printed or not? Okay, let me give you some gap so that you can easily identify it. Okay, I'll give here slash T. Okay, Alt F9, Control F9. See, all clearly mentioned. Observe B66. That symbol observe where it is. It is not come all. So 13, it from 13 onwards it is swing. So before 13 some values are there. So let me see, observe. I'll reduce it to only 25. Observe alt F9, control F9. See, uh, 3 diamond symbol is 4. That love symbol is 3, right? So different special characters symbols are there, and corresponding ASCII value is there. 255, alt F9, control F9, all printed only from 13 onwards this way visible, right? This is the program. Today I discussed about the for loop. The next video I will discuss nested for loop, which is very important. And till then, to take care and bye. I'm concluding here, guys. I'll continue in the next video.